What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Hooked Toronto Fishing. Thank you so much for joining us today. Me and Matt decided to go back to the Holland River to target more panfish because we've been having a lot of fun with them recently.
If someone breaks your fly rod, it should be your fault.
Are you like preemptively covering?
I'm preemptively covering my ass here. There's probably everything in here.
So we found a couple little inlets, or waterfalls as Matt likes to call them, and we decided to throw into the foam because we figured there'd be multi-species in the foam, and sure enough there were.
Nobody can bring one of those in. That's the biggest rock bass. Holy shit. Little bluegill. Well,
We were catching rock bass, bluegills,
One bass in there that was
bullheads were hitting, there was carp jumping everywhere, but Matt actually dropped his worm in and caught a largemouth by accident. Right now they're out of season, so you're not supposed to take a picture with them, you're supposed to release them immediately, so that's what we did. I mean, I don't mind catching rock bass, but they're notorious for seeming like a bigger fish than they actually are. So I'm fishing for smallmouth, and I think I got a nice little smallmouth on, and it ends up being a rock bass. And then when you handle them, they go absolutely crazy. And their spikes are like really sharp as well, and I always end up getting pricked by them for some reason. And yeah, that's why I give them a little bit of hate. Still a fun fish though.
This is pretty fun. Rock bass after rock bass. They're a little ass, man. This is my least favorite fish in the world, but they're very, very hard fighting for. Ooh, something take a bite out of him.
oh, look at the boat flip on that one.
Boat flipped on a largemouth.
Hey, you can run him down there and get the reach shot.
I am. I'm totally, and that's not even why I'm running him down there. I'm running him down there for the better of his health. That's a big guy. I thought he was a largemouth. I'm trying to give them the dive in. The smooth head first dive is better. Yeah.
As always, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great day, and tight lines.